I'm very proud that the Philippines is safer now. It's never happened. The peak of criminality was 2014. 2014 on index crimes.
Ilang percent nga, Sir Camo, ang dinecline ng criminality?
By 8, since 2014,
Yes.
my 80%.
80%.
80%.
So can we say definitely that we are safe on the streets of the country? Lahat
We
na-
are
wala nang-
safer than we've ever been. Okay? We are safer than we've ever been. And it will get better. It will get better.
Wow.
Malaking difference yung wala nagiinuman sa kalye.
Yes.
Yung mga kababaihan ngayon na nakauwi na hindi natatakot. Siguro may mga kaibigan kayo rito, di ba? Na umuwi, mag-MRT, mag-jeep, tapos mag-tricycle, tapos maglalakad. Marami dyan. Dati nakakatakot umuwi. Ngayon, I'm proud to say that the cities are much safer. Not only here, all over the Philippines, the cities are much safer now.